Kia ora, everyone. So day 4 of Singularity University Executive Program. Expert number 1 is Amanda Manna. I hope I'm pronouncing these names right. And she ran a session as well as a workshop. So the workshop was about thinking about, a challenge that we've identified, which is like a big world challenge, and then using the kind of learnings we've had over the last few days of all the technologies we've learned about. Leveraging them and putting a plan to solve it. But the interesting thing about this workshop was not just about using technology to solve the problem, but about telling the story in a way that brings people on board, because you can have all these technology. We have a lot of technologies that can solve a lot of problems. The issue is bringing people on board a journey, helping them understand, where you're going. And she also gave stories about, other companies in terms of how they've approached solving big problems. And some of the takeaways was, start talking to people about your plan before you have a final product approved. Make it personal when you're talking to people, make it personal, and learn the art of effective storytelling. I find that resonated with me quite a lot. So thank you, Amanda. And if any of you who are watching this video have any story about, how you have helped, solve a problem with effective storytelling and bringing people on board a journey, or you have been on somebody else's journey and they have done a good job at, that storytelling and kind of like bringing you on board, please make sure you put them in the comments. Thank you.